Today in this video I am going to explain about law of banking and evolution of law of banking in India. Is banking and law of banking is same? No. Banking is nothing but the act or business of banking as defined by the law and custom, that is banking. Then what is law of banking? Law of banking is the provisions of law which define the banking and which regulate and govern the business of banking. So law of banking is nothing but the legislations which governs the regulation of functions of banking. Next, coming to the evolution of banking in India, nothing but history. In India, banking system was existed from long ago, that is from Vedic period, from 200 and 2000 BC to 1400 BC. Even it is exists in Maurya's dynasty, Kautilya's period, Mughals period, British period in 17th century. In India, the first Bank of Bengal was established in 1806 at Calcutta. Later on, in 1840 in Bombay, in Madras in 1843. These three banks are popularly known as Presidency Banks. On 27th January 1927, all these three Presidency Banks were merged and the Imperial Bank of India was established. So after 1927, Imperial Bank of India was established. From Imperial Bank of India, in the year of 1955, SBI was established. After that, in the year of 1959, SBI subsidiaries banks like State Bank of Mysore, State Bank of Hyderabad, State Bank of Karnataka, all these banks are known as subsidiary banks. All that banks also exist from 1959. Some major steps taken by the government of India to regulate banking system. So how that took place? In 1949, enactment of Banking Regulation Act. Next, 1955, enacting State Bank of India Act 1955. From that, establishment of SBI was took place. Later on, 1959, in the year of 1959, enactment of State Bank of India Subsidiary Banks Act. From that, all that subsidiary banks like State Bank of Hyderabad, State Bank of Mysore, different banks were established based on this enactment. In the year of 1961, enactment of Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Corporation Act. In the year of 1968, amendment took place to the Banking Regulation Act 1949. In the year of 1969, Nationalization of Bank. So for the nationalization of banks, there is a ordinance was given by the government of India in the year of 1969. After passing of that ordinance, R.C. Cooper was challenged that ordinance under violation of the fundamental rights. That is the landmark judgment, landmark case with respect to the nationalization of bank. That is nothing but R.C. Cooper versus Union of India. We will discuss about that particular case in upcoming sessions. Next, in 1971, creation of Credit Guarantee Corporation. In 1975, Regional Rural Bank establishment. Again, in the year of 1980, nationalization of 7 banks with deposits over 200 crores. Based on the above regulation steps taken by the government of India, has undergone a major structural transformation which restored more commercial and private banks in India.